guys, welcome to the vlog. Are you looking at my face? Oh my goodness. You guys, I am dog sitting right now. Oh, Brody's mad at me because he's in my room. I gotta go open the door. But I'm dog sitting Cruz and they have been having so much fun. Let's go get Brody. You guys play all day long. Yeah, you do. Are you guys tired from yesterday? They were together all day yesterday too. But they have like endless energy. They also just woke up. It's like 8:30. So they're ready to play. Are we gonna go on a big long walk, guys? I just can't even believe. I feel like when dogs are together, they have so much fun because I walked them for like an hour yesterday and they still played all day long. I'm like, aren't you guys tired? I think they laid down finally at like 8 p.m. They like relaxed. They'll just play all day. You guys, how cute is Cruz? He is 10 months old. He's a Sheepadoodle and he's so dang cute. He's so fluffy. He's like such a sweetie. And he is 85 pounds. Like, I can't believe how big he is. I never knew how big they were. Oh yeah, you guys play. When it gets too crazy, I have to yell at them. I'm like, enough, play nice. But yeah, this has just been making me realize how I feel like 2 is way more work than 1. Like, I remember so many people when I'm talking about like getting another golden, people are like, oh, like the first one takes care of the second one. Or maybe people say that about kids. I don't know. But I'm like, no, it's literally like double the bathroom, double the feeding, and they get different food, so I have to like separate them. It's just like way more. So I'm like, I don't want a second dog, but no, Cruz is so fun and sweet to like be with. They're also just a lot more calm on their own, but when they're together, they're like wired all day. So I'm like, okay, you guys, maybe we can like separate for a moment. But yeah, it's been fun. Basically, Max is on the road right now, and well, in his team. I'm like, sorry, it's morning. I'm trying to explain. Max's team is on the road right now because they have away games for like 2 days. Or no, I think it's only 1, but they're gone for like 2 days. Anyway, so I'm watching Cruz. It's one of Max's teammates' dogs and his wife is away, so that's why I'm watching Cruz. And they actually met, can you see me? They met on a cruise. Isn't that so dang cute? So that's why his name's Cruz. You guys being good? Hey, Brody, play nice with his wolf face. I also tried to cover the couch in blankies, but it didn't really work. They just kind of move it around. Okay, we're gonna go walk. We'll get the energy out. Be good. Brody, that face is so scary. Are we being good now? You are such a cute. You guys, I thought Brody was clingy. Cruz is so clingy. He'll come to the bathroom with me. What else? Sometimes he'll just lay across me on the couch. Oh my goodness. And he's so like puppy energy because he's I can't believe he's 10 months old. Like in my mind, he's like 5 years old because he's so big. Okay, play nice, you two. I could just hear them running around, but I didn't even show you guys. I wanted to show you, but last night one of my girlfriends, Gracie, slept over, and I'm happy she's like me. I'm like, I really want to be here alone, especially with like 2 dogs. I'm like, want to come help and like have a sleepover since the boys are away. And she's like, yeah, woo. She also is my neighbor. She lives like right up the street. So yeah, that was really fun. You guys will meet her. Yeah, hopefully I get to show some of my new friends. We have such a good group this year and the girls are so sweet. I think we'll watch their away game tonight together later. So maybe I can bring my vlog camera. They're always like, Gretchen, like you can like vlog. And I'm like, I know, but I feel like I'm always vlogging it on my phone and stuff. So when I'm like with friends in real life, I want to just be present and get to know them, especially since they're like new friends. I don't want to like sit there posting Instagram stories, you know what I mean? But also I'm so excited for today, you guys, because I'm in my little workout set. There's a spin studio here, which I never knew about. I think it's brand new, and some of the girls have gone and said it's like so good. So I'm so excited. We're going to a class this afternoon. And yeah, I literally can't wait. I feel like it's gonna be like soul, but obviously not soul, but like similar like rhythmic spin, and it's just gonna be so fun to like be in a studio again since the closest soul is like an hour away. And yeah, I think that's on the agenda. Gracie's gonna come back in a second so we can walk the boys. It's been really nice having help. Like many of the girls are so close, and they'll help me walk both of them because walking both on my own is like way harder. So yeah, it's just been really good. I think I was telling you guys how it feels nice to like be social again since the girls are back, and like especially Gracie, I could like walk right up the street, and 2 other ones I could walk to them too. So then it's just nice. Like we can like walk together, we can watch the games together, stuff like that. So yeah, off on our morning walk. Wait, one more thing I was gonna say. I feel like this is good lighting, you can see. I remember why I wanted to film yesterday, especially with Gracie last night. We like had dinner, made cookies. We also watched You, and I haven't started season 3 until last night. We watched 2 episodes and we were like, we're so scared. I literally had a nightmare. Thank God Grace is here. So I was like, I would not have watched it by myself. It's just so creepy if you guys have watched it. Like yeah, could not watch it alone. Hate watching it at night. We should not have started at like 10 p.m. But anyway, I remember why I didn't vlog. You can definitely see. Look at my eye. I woke up like 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago now. It was like swollen shut. I'm like, huh? And this was before Cruz came here. I'm like, am I allergic to Cruz? Like, no. And I think I just must be getting a sty. Like, doesn't it look like one? I need to not touch it because you're not supposed to. But, like, I haven't worn makeup or anything. I've been like washing it. Everything you're supposed to do. Hot compress, ice if it's like really swollen. Oh my God, it's like itchy though. Well, no wonder because I keep touching my eyes. But yeah. It's like red and puffy and looks kind of gross. And I haven't had a sty since I was like 10, I feel like. So I don't freaking know why I have one, if that's what that is. Because like, what else would it be? And why can't it go away? Because I'm doing all the things I'm supposed to do. Anyway. Okay, you two. Are we ready? Look at them go.
Hello.
Look who I'm with.
I'm Gracie, everyone.
I told them how we had a sleepover.
Oh, yes.
Because we hate being alone.
Yeah. And we watched the 3rd season of You.
It's freaking scary.
Gave her a nightmare.
Yeah.
Scary.
Wait, we literally had a sleepover the first day I met you.
Yes. Literally. And then now it's just a thing. We can't be alone.
I'm gonna be like, come sleep over every night.
I'll just drive on over in my jam with you. And she made me a gourmet meal, which you guys will probably see.
She's
right?
like, I'm gonna have frozen pizza. I'm like, no, I have dinner for you.
Yeah. I get gourmet.
Oh, now it's bright. Okay, it was like all dark. But Gracie's building's right up here. You're like a 3-minute walk from me.
Yeah. It's not
and
bad.
I was telling them like 2 others are like a 5-minute walk. Like we're all so close.
Yeah.
You guys, look at these 2. They're walking like side by side, so close. Besties. Like that TikTok. Best friends. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Girls, girls, girls. Now are we resting after our walk, you two? They rest for like 5 minutes before they start running around again, huh? I feel like they're both like fighting to stay awake. See his eyes. Like blinking a bunch. I can just tell you guys, Brody, whenever he plays with another dog, he like, even if he's so tired, he will like fight to stay awake to just like play with him. And I'm like, dude, I know you're so exhausted. Like you can rest. You don't have to make yourself stay awake. Look at the eyes. I can't. I can tell you're tired too, big boy. His mouth gets all wet from drinking water and it's kind of like brown from eating his food. It was so funny. You was so furry. Okay, you can see him in the mirror. Just me and my kids hanging out. Oh yeah, okay, this is perfect because I'm gonna go to spin soon, so you guys are gonna stay here and you're gonna relax. Only be gone for an hour. Oh yeah, you just relax. Guys, whenever Brody plays with another dog, he gets like, oh no, your ears are kind of dirty. I gotta clean those. But his ears get all wet and like crunchy because they like bite at each other and it's all slobbery. You guys should have seen them sleeping last night. It was kind of like this. Like they kept going on the ground in my room and they would be like, well, closer than this. Honestly, one would lay here, one would lay here, and they'd like sleep on the ground close to each other. They are like BFF. And sometimes one or both would hop up in bed with me and Gracie, and I'm like, all right, there is just simply not enough room for the 4 of us. Maybe one of them, but not both. Oh my goodness, we have a lot going on over here. Oh, we're so red with like tomatoes.
Hi. I look like a naked mole rat.
I wish I vlogged in there, but I didn't. But we just finished our class at
cycling
6 cycle, and they're sisters. So the one that owns it is so sweet. She took the classes with us, and then her sister was the instructor. And if you guys live in Allentown, PSA, come here because it just opened, and there was never like a cycling studio, or at least that I knew of.
And they're so sweet.
They're so sweet. It was so good. It was very like Halloween themed, like Halloween songs. Those are the best cycling bikes, by the way. The Stages bikes are so good. I'm so happy.
They're so nice. It was amazing.
It was really good. I
It's
didn't
dark.
even vlog in there with Kendall and Nikki, but I should have.
Tomorrow.
Maybe I'll bring the camera tonight with our apple cider mimosas.
Yes, yes.
We'll teach you guys how to make apple cider mimosas. We're gonna go get the ingredients right now.
Caramel drizzle.
And yeah, I think that's all I've got.
We just keep going.
Okay, we're getting flowers for our friend. That's sick, you guys. And we're bringing her chicken noodle soup.
This is our ingredients.
Yeah, we got all the things for tonight. We just gotta get the champagne. There's so many. Yeah, and then she doesn't even have to worry about it. It smells so good over here. Ooh.
Oh, there's a spider one.
Oh my god, terrifying. I would not like those.
No.
Okay.
They're pretty though.
So cute in fall. Maybe she needs these.
Maybe these are good.
Now it's dinner time and I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite recipes of all time for dinner. This is definitely my most ordered of all time for sure HelloFresh recipe. It's the crispy Parmesan chicken. So dang good, you guys. I literally can't wait. I am grabbing it now. And you guys, or maybe you didn't know, but I actually pay for my own HelloFresh subscription. I'm so obsessed with them. So dang good. Max and I will order HelloFresh most weeks just because their meals taste a lot better than our meals that we cook on our own. But we love the taste and the feeling of home cooked meals, but it's just so much better when it's HelloFresh. Like, I know if I try to make this on my own, it just doesn't taste as good for whatever reason. So if you guys haven't tried out HelloFresh before, I could not recommend enough. Literally, they are so dang good. And I have used HelloFresh for years and years and years now. Literally every week on my phone, I have their app and I will just like look at all their new recipes. They have so many new recipes every week if I can try something new or get my tried and true favorite of all time. This one's around 40 minutes. Honestly, like I said, I've done this one a million times. I feel like I could do it with my eyes closed. So it'll probably take me like 30 minutes. I already know. Let's see, let's quiz and see if I do it right. I know the first step is preheating my oven, 425. Since I'm going to be roasting carrots. Yes, preheat oven, 425 degrees. And yeah, I was saying there's so many recipes you can choose from each week, especially for fall, you guys. They have like fun fall recipes, fall sides, like autumn themed desserts. So yeah, HelloFresh is so fun. I'll have it linked down below. You guys can use my code GGYT14. You'll get 14 free meals and free shipping. And now let's get to cooking. I just prepared my plate. Like, I can't even wait to go sit and eat it. I need to eat it right this second. Look how good this turned out. Wow, if I don't say so myself, I have become such a good cook. Like, this looks like a freaking restaurant over here. Can anyone else not wait until you go sit down at the table? Wow, you guys. You know what? This was reminding me recently, I was listening to a What We Said podcast episode and they were like, home cooked food just hits different, especially when you cook it. It has the extra ingredient of love and TLC, which is so true. So again, you guys, it's like dark over there, so lighting's gonna be bad when I go sit over there in the dark and eat my dinner. But don't forget, HelloFresh, link down below. So freaking yummy. And Max isn't here. He's on a road trip because he has, actually wait. No, yeah, just one away game, but he's gone for 2 days. So this gets to be my lunch tomorrow. Sorry, Max, you're missing it. Showered, got all ready. It feels so good to like be clean. I put on a little makeup, which I know I probably shouldn't do with my style, but I feel like it's like mainly gone. Also, with a little bit of under eye concealer, you can't really see it. I'm over it being puffy and red and feeling ill. So yeah, we did a little mascara, little bronzer. Oh, I self-tanned. So I'm feeling great. I haven't self-tanned in so long and I've like wanted to do that. I'm just packing up all our little goodies and I'm gonna go hang out with the girls. We're gonna make apple cider mimosas to watch the guys' game. It's gonna be so fun. I have my caramel. The rest of this stuff, oh, I didn't even show you guys. I'm gonna look so amped right now. It's like all up in here. But I feel like I've showed this before my vlog and talk about it. If I haven't, that's so fake of me because this is one of my favorite things ever. The Wegmans cannoli dip. If you know, you know. If you're from Pennsylvania or somewhere where they have Wegmans, if you had their cannoli dip, it's so good. It's like what the outside of a cannoli is, plus like the dip is like the inside of what a normal cannoli would be. So you dip in there and it's so good. All the girls are gonna be like, no, no more sugar. We always eat like so much junk when we're together, but that's gonna be so fun. I literally can't wait. And yeah, I'm gonna go get Gracie and we're gonna head over.
Okay,
this is Kendall's mimosa.
This is good. Perfect.
Okay, this is dinner. Oh,
That's actually so good. Spikes is all sugar.
Okay, should we try this? This is ours. Actually, should I try
I still haven't tried it.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, there.
I'm afraid I'm gonna like hate
smell.
it. Okay.
Eat apple cider. I barely put any apple cider in it. You saw it. Smell theirs then.
It's good. It's a little more tart than I was
It's great.
expecting.
Love it. All I taste is the caramel and the cinnamon sugar.
Wanna try it?
Oh, you really doused the caramel in here.
It's running.
It's everywhere.
Absolutely not.
It's not good.
Absolutely not.
Can I try? So the O is the Juniors of Canada contest.
Say thanks for watching the vlog, goofballs. Thanks for watching the vlog. Oh, it's doing the weird lighting thing, sorry. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.